Good day, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Misha, the Psychotic Psychedelic Gypsy, and this is Van Life Beginnings, Part 2. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not in my van yet. We're still working on that. Still gotta get the seats out. It's, just a matter of I'm on a main road, so don't want to be out there with the, there's shifty people out there. I don't want to be out there working and stuff and be robbed or whatever. This video was supposed to be unboxing of stuff that I ordered, and unfortunately, when I filmed it, I had the camera set up in a way that didn't work right at all. Everything that I had was like too close to the camera, and it was just a complete mess. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just show you what I've bought. I bet you there's a lot of nomads that would say just starting out, I probably bought too much, but there's still stuff that I want to buy. So I don't know. I have a comfort issue, right? I got this light measuring tape. No, I didn't get it to measure that. Okay, maybe. This, which is a pour over filter, I guess you would call it. It's from Blue Brew. It's metal, so I guess I could have found like a collapsible one, maybe down the line. I don't know. We'll see how this works. I have no idea. I've never done a pour over before, so I got no clue. I'll make sure to videotape my first pour over so everybody can see how horrible of a job I do. This, which is an electric tea kettle that folds down, and then it comes out like that. And I powered it up with the Blue Eddy. Will you please get out of the shot? Well, that's my cat Poison, if nobody knows about her. She likes to make appearances on my videos. Anyway, I hooked it up to my Blue Eddy. It's 600 watts. And it ran it. I haven't used it yet. I haven't actually boiled any water in it or anything. I'm going to do a whole nother video about that stuff later. Duct tape. Yeah. Nobody cares about the damn shirts. 3-gallon water jug. I bought this. And this is rechargeable. Right there. My only problem is, that right there. That's my only problem. Is that I thought this would, stick on here, but it really isn't. And it's just gotta, turn on. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed. So if you think you're gonna buy a 3-gallon jug like this, and that this is gonna actually go on top, apparently not. I might stuff something in there so it kind of grips on a little bit, because this is look at that. Anyway, futon mattress. I have this kind of like a cotton fold out bed type deal. It's more for outdoors, it's not, but I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna see, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna sleep on the floor. I think I'm just gonna sleep on the floor. Yeah, I bought this for that, and everybody said that three inches is pretty good. Well, this is 3 inches, and I laid on this, and it's not quite enough for me. I'm kind of a big guy, so I do have some foam, memory foam in the van, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a piece that's this size and slide it under here, and I think that will I think that'll be good. I think that'll be enough for me. It's the Blue Eddy, the EB3A, and I got this with tax and everything. It was like $215, $220, and I got this on sale, Amazon Days or something like that. I don't remember. There was a big sale going on. But I swear, don't quote me on this, but I swear I was just on Walmart.com, and I swear I saw these going for like $150 or $60 now. So they're even cheaper. That's because they brought out the new model. So these are cheap. I've used it a little bit. I've charged my phone on it. I've charged my camera on it, and been using my cigarette rolling machine on it, and so far so good. What I am going to do though is I am going to make a video of me using this throughout a 24-hour period with my laptop, my Switch, and all the other electronic devices I use, because electric was a big thing, is a big thing to me about living on the road. And I know it's glamping more than camping, but I'm a tech junkie. I like playing video games. I do a bunch of shit online, and I just, you know, I really needed power, and I'm so glad that I could get this, the 600, rather than like a 200 or whatever, because I kind of need that power, especially for the tea kettle. Tea kettle takes quite a bit of power, so that will be something I'm going to test that. I'm hoping to test it in the van, but if not, then I'll just test it in this room or the next room that I'm in, and I'll let you guys know and show you all the stuff that I was using and how long I used it. Like when it comes to the laptop, I'm on the laptop almost all day long editing and stuff, so it'll be nice to see how long this stays up on a full charge. Now charging, holy crap, this thing charges fast. That's a definite here is that, well, I mean from the wall. I don't know about solar. I haven't bought solar yet, so I don't know about solar, but from the wall outlet in a house or something, this thing charges quick. So anyway, all right, and now what we have here is a nice bag. The bag's cheap. That's all there is to it. It's a cheap bag. And we have this, which I thought was metal, but it's not metal. It's plastic, and it folds out. That's how it works. Folds out. This works out with this. Like the other ones. There's just a piece of gear that will out, and then yeah. What the fuck am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Oh, there we go. And then, yeah. And some stuff now. Oh, no. There we go. And it's a toilet. That's all there is to it. And it's got this little, like, donkey on there. Jackass. That's where it goes. It's where your jackass goes. Right there. And then it goes poopity poo poo. And then they gave me some high quality trash bags to poop in. Alright, and then we have this. I wasn't gonna buy one of these. Like, that's the whole reason I got the electric tea kettle, is because propane and butane kind of scare me, you know. But I went ahead and I got this because I might be camping in my van in the dead of winter here in northern Illinois. So I got one of these. It's just a one burner. It's got the, you know, it's like you've probably seen this a million times. I'm not sure how it works exactly. I kept the manual, but that's what I got. I got that. First alert, so I don't burn my ass or burn my van down while I'm cooking with this scary stove. So there you go. That's all the crap that I've bought except for a cooler. I got a cooler, but who cares about a cooler? It's just a cooler. I don't even know. I got a pretty, well, I don't know. It's not that small. I can't remember what size it is though. But anyway, I got a cooler. That's it. So next video, I'm hoping, well, the next video might be me talking about how long the Blue Eddy lasts with all the stuff that I use and telling you exactly what it is I use. But the video after that, I'm hoping, will be of us ripping out the seats in the van and possibly cutting up some foam for this. And then hopefully, you know, video of me actually getting stuff into the van to go, you know, stealth camping in the city. So I hope you join me. If not, another thing, these videos won't be on this channel for much longer. They're actually going to go to their own channel, called MishaLife. So if you go in there, but for right now, it's going to stay here until that part. But I hope you'll join me, and I hope you'll check out the new channel when it comes in at the beginning of the year. And until then, stay safe, stay mindful, and stay healthy.